I talked through part A of this question in a previous video, so I'm just going to go through estimating the mean and standard deviation here. So when you are finding the mean and standard deviation of group data, you just want to assume that your frequency takes the midpoint values. So we're going to assume that 7 tomato plants have a height bang in the middle of 140 and 150, so we're going to say they have a height of 145. And we can do that for all values. So start by finding your midpoints. And then what you want to do is actually pull out your calculator. I'm going to show you how to find the mean and standard deviation using your graphical calculator. What I've done here is populated list 1 with your midpoints and list 2 with your frequencies. I would do a quick check just to make sure that you have defined your lists correctly. So if you press set, your X list should be your list 1 and your frequency should be your list 2 for your one variable calculation. And then just go ahead and press one variable. Now you have all of your statistics here, and the way you lay out your work really just depends on how many marks are allocated. So for the mean, if this was just 1 mark, then all you had to do is state the mean. If it's 2 marks, you have to show a method too. The mean is basically your sum of x over n, and it's given to you here. So all we have to do is take our sum of x of 10,075, divide it by 60, and just equate it to 167.9. So this part here would guarantee the method mark, and this part here would guarantee your answer mark. If it's just 1 mark, then you can just state 167.9 straight from your calculator. The formula for standard deviation is given to you in your formula booklet. I would use this version here because you have the sum of x squared in your calculator. You can just plug it in directly and equate it to the standard deviation. So your sum of x squared is given to you here as 1.7 times 10 to the power of 6. Your n is 60, your x bar is also given, and then your actual standard deviation is equal to 13.4, so you can literally just copy and paste from your calculator. Sometimes the exam board may just tell you what x bar is and the sum of x, etc. So you don't have to work them out, but you know how to if you need to.